video. In last video we have talked about creating the AWS free account and how we can use AWS. We have also learned about the cloud computing, traditional IT, and a bit of information on what is AWS Practitioner AIF C01 fundamental exam and the hierarchies of that. And that is just a quick recap, and we have also created an account. So in this video we would be looking at a tour of this console. So here first thing that we have is our own status, our free plan status and our credentials, and in this section you can access your account. You can do any change if you want, and the second thing is this is called a region selector. And so how this works is every region has this server. So in Northern Virginia we have US East 1. We are currently set to this, but we need to make sure that if we need lowest latency, we need to get it to the nearest server to us. So I'm just selecting Asia Pacific. So there is Mumbai and there is AP South 1, and here you can see recently visited services. This is the console, this is the applications tab, and from here you can access all services, and you can see, so this is Elastic Beanstalk. We have everything sorted in the terms of use, and it is alphabetically done, and you can actually access anything from here, or you can just use search bar. So we'll just search route 52. So this is scalable DNS and domain name registration. So yes, we'll just see this, and the best thing about this is that this works on global and not so yeah, here you can see this works on global. You don't need any of the servers. It works globally, and this is just one service, and we'll just hop on to our dashboard already. So yeah, here we can see route 53, billing and cost management. So yes, so in this video we have seen the tour of the console, and next video we'll be looking at the shared responsibility model and AWS acceptable use user policy. And yes, thank you very much for watching this video. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to leave a comment. And yes, thank you.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.